Hello friends, welcome to Let's Talk Nifty, and today is Nifty expiry, so we look at Nifty today. And like we had anticipated yesterday, market was very volatile and it gave a very nice downfall from our levels of 21,800. Now today, either it is going to be a downtrend continuation day, or it might actually make a inside bar here. So opening is again very critical. So if it opens gap down, let's say the market opens gap down then and breaks 21,439, then this level has been tested a couple of times. So this time if it breaks, then it's going to go all the way down to 21,200 to 21,180. This level is the support area. So it could very well reach here, and then maybe we get a bounce. So, and in case if it opens gap up, then probably it will go to 21,800 or even 21,600. So depends where it opens. Basically, if it opens gap up, then it's a no trade day for me. I'm trading only if the market is giving me an opportunity on the downside. That means I would like to have a gap down open or a flattish open, and then from there I would like to see a contracting market expanding market towards 21,200 to 21,180. So that's the trading strategy for today. I wish you all a very good expiry day, and trade well, trade safe. I'll see you with another video tomorrow. Bye bye.